Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our classes online with Mr. Vieira. I am a teaching artist with the Center for Creative Education. Today, we will learn how to make homemade Play-Doh. Play-Doh clay is one medium that promotes creativity, encourages self-expression, it improves hand-eye coordination skills, it promotes self-confidence, and develops problem-solving skills. Play-Doh also helps children understand the three-dimensional aspect of this world. There are dozens of recipes out there on how to make homemade Play-Doh, but today I'll teach you an easy and quick recipe. We are going to use ingredients that you can find right in your kitchen: wheat flour, food coloring, salt, oil, and water. It will only take a few minutes. Let's get it started. First, you will need 1 cup of wheat flour. You are going to need 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1/4 cup of water, you also are going to need food coloring for the colors that you desire. Keep the food colorings on the side. You will mix them later. And you're going to mix all the ingredients. Mix it all together without the food coloring. Keep mixing until it gives you a nice smooth texture. Add more water gradually if you need. If you want to create a consistency of clay, you want to balance the water and the flour. If you add too much water, it will turn into a slime. And if it turns into a slime, just add more wheat flour. Once you finish, the Play-Doh will have a light beige color. You will split the clay in many pieces according to how many colors you want. Then you will add the food coloring in the small pieces. For example, let's say that you want 3 colors, the 3 primary colors. So you're going to split the clay into 3 pieces, and in each piece, you're going to add the color that you desire. In that way, you can have as many colors as you want. In that case, I chose the primary colors, which are red, blue, and yellow. So I split the clay into 3 pieces, and in each piece, I add the food coloring. Once you have completed, you can use your awesome homemade Play-Doh to create wonderful sculptures. You can write words with the Play-Doh. You can create awesome designs. You can create wonderful sculptures. And you can create anything you can imagine. I hope you enjoy making your homemade Play-Doh today. You can repeat this video as many times as you need until you learn how to make it. Make sure to ask your parents or an adult for permission for you to use the ingredients from the kitchen. Let us know how your homemade Play-Doh turned out in the comments area down below. You can also share pictures of your awesome sculptures. Boys and girls, thank you for watching. Have a great day and be safe.